What's going on, everyone? Got a 2023 Honda HRV key fob here. I'm going to show you how to open up to replace the battery. So we're going to need to remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote first. There's a button right here in the corner that you're going to push with your thumb, and then you can pull out the emergency key. Now you want to turn the button, the remote, button side down, okay, because we're going to split it open. When you split it open, these buttons, they get all loose, so you don't want them to spill out. So you want to do this like this, okay? Now, right where the emergency key came out, there's a little bitty slot. You're going to use a flathead screwdriver, and you're going to put it in, and you're going to pry the remote open, okay? Just going to work it like that, okay? It's kind of hard to see, kind of show you where I put it at, but when you have it in here, it's kind of like at this spot right here, okay? It's going to go crack it open, okay? Just do your best not to chew up the remote. It's really easy to chew these remotes up, so just be a little cautious of that. Now you want to hold the remote like this because all this can fall out, and flathead screwdriver down here at the bottom, and just unclip the battery and pull it out, and I get a new battery, and I'll show you what size it is. New battery size is a CR2032, positive sign facing out towards us. Goes into the top first, then locks in. Now these guys can be a little tricky to snap back together. They have to be pretty stiff. I have to start at the top, work my way down. Okay, right here, this one's going to be a little bit of a booger. All right, snap right on there. Emergency key goes in, and you are all done.